shiny box. Hey there, Alex Kidman here, doing another quick unboxing. And if you've watched any of these, you know how I usually do these, just straight to camera, warts and all. This one might be a little different to that. And the only reason I say might be, you might be able to pick it in my voice, I'm coming off a pretty bad viral infection, so if this suddenly jump cuts, it's not because there's any kind of magical trickery going on. It's actually because I've just had a major coughing fit. But enough of my problems. You didn't come here to see me, because you can't even see me. You came here to see me take a phone out of a box, and this is the Razr 50 Ultra. Now, if you've watched my Razr 40 Ultra review, you'll know that's a phone I really rather like, so I'm very keen to get into this one and to get testing this. I am going to take my time on this. You probably won't see my review of this first, but I do want to do this right. I would rather do things properly, you see. So let's just open this up if I can. Even today I can't get scissors right. We're not off to a good start, are we? Violence! Violence is the answer. Violence is not the answer. I hate stickers, I hate labels. This isn't going well. Help. Send coffee. In that order. It shouldn't be that hard. Behold the competency of the still on pain relief drugs journalist. There we go. Seal broken. Honk, honk. That joke never gets funny. And we reveal the back of what I believe will be a small kind of, well, case slash bumper. I've sometimes referred to folding phone cases as bikinis because they sort of are. I suspect that's what this will be, and indeed it is. We have protective cover, they call it. Well, isn't that nice? And some paperwork, and probably there's a SIM tool lurking in there somewhere. But yeah, this is very much, I will fit this a little bit later, but this is very much your classic just protects the sides kind of thing. Also gives you a clue as to what colour phone I've got there. We'll put that to the side for a minute. No coughing yet, but I don't want to jinx myself. And then we have some mystery thing in here. I mean, obviously, probably not that. Oh, very well. The phone itself. And there it is. Wow, that green's quite a lot. And of course, it's vegan leather. People know my views on vegan leather by now, I think. But yeah. The hinge effect is quite nice. They've made some interesting changes to this one. They've gone over to IPX8 rather than, I think it was IP52 for the prior generation. So more water resistance, but no rated dust resistance. I'm not 100% convinced that's an upgrade, to be honest with you. Plus exterior lens here, which is, sorry, as I said, coming off a viral infection, but which is telephoto rather than ultra-wide as it was on the prior generation. And then inbox charger. Now, this is a premium phone, and inbox chargers are still, well, not still, are now something of a rarity on these kinds of devices. But yeah, reasonably high rated. The figure does not jump into my head, but I might superimpose it on the screen here because I can always look these things up after I'm done filming. And after I've done filming, of course, I have to actually set this phone up. I suppose I should prove that it's not, in fact, just some dummy store model. There we go. It is powering up, and I'd better get to testing it. While you wait for my review, you can always go and check out my review of the 40 Ultra or the 40. Thanks for watching.